Hi future programmer, welcome to Code It Ade. This is how to install IDE for Java. So open your VS Code like this, then come to this extension. So your extension, you can just click on Ctrl plus Shift plus X. The fifth button on your VS Code at the left hand corner, the fifth button, click on it and come to this search bar and type IDE, then search. Cool, we are not using this. Is batch IDE and this is Java IDE, and this is the one we want to install. Then just click on install. Let's wait for it to install. Do you trust the publisher? Click on that. Then let's wait for it to install. We can use it for our Java programming once we are done with installing. Now we have it. You can see that right here. We already have it on our VS Code. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you.